Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the glass of the front door of a Hyundai Getz. I recently had this glass installed and I saw how the job was done, and although the job seems to be well done, it has a noise. You hear that? There. It seems to be, when it's going down, it seems to be touching something. Either it's a bit of glass that wasn't removed completely, or it wasn't perfectly well installed. Whichever the case, I'm going to have to see what's going on there and see if I can fix it. I wouldn't like any little mistake there to damage the mechanism and then have a worse problem than what I had. So I'm going to dismantle it. I'm going to show you how to change the glass. The first thing we have to do is remove the inside handle mount. It has a little screw there. We have to remove that. And we put it away in an appropriate place so it doesn't get lost. Now, this is a complicated part. Here we have these bits of hard wire that is the mechanism opening and closing the door. And they're stuck in there and held in place with these plastic little things here. If we break one of these plastic little things, then we'll be in real trouble because we have to replace them, buy them, and so on. So we must be very careful when taking these off. So we have to remove the little plastic there and lift up the wire. Then we have it disconnected there. Now we will do the same down below. We open it and then we can take out the wire. And then we have everything free. Then we have to remove the trim's mounting screws. We have one screw in here. We have one here, one here, one here, and one here. That's 5. To remove the trim, we need to use a trim remover. It's something like this, with which we push it in there and we press to pull out the plastic. Now we have to be careful we not damage the paint of the car. This is a cable, electric cable that brings energy, power to the switch that gets the glass up and down. We have to remove it to be able to remove the panel. There we are. Now we can work on the inner mechanisms. Now we remove the trim bracket. And with this we can remove this plastic shield and we can get in to see what's going on in there. To test the glass, how it's moving, the mechanism and all, you can connect it here and work it with this button. To take the glass off, or whatever residues of glass there are there, and put the new glass in, we have to bring the glass down to this position so we have access to these bolts. With the glass in this position, we remove the mounting bolts, and then we can get the glass off the runner. Once we've taken off the bolts, we have to very carefully put an instrument down there at the back and clip off the plastic that is holding it there. Okay, and now we can take the window off out of the top. And there it goes. And to put it back in, follow the same procedure. But first of all, I want to see what is under there. Okay. All that glass was still inside there. Of course, that was probably what is causing the noise, getting caught in the glass while going up and down. Some really big chunks. Now to put the glass back on. The screw will pull this part towards the glass and hold it in place. We mustn't use an exaggerated force or we might break the window, and we don't want to do that, do we? Okay, let's test it now. These bolts and the runner's bolts, we mustn't unscrew them unless the window doesn't close properly or it doesn't close completely. With these we can regulate the position of the glass and with the runner how far up or down the glass goes. Now let's say if the glass is closing well, we should not touch these or the bolts of the runner. Now we're going to close it all, and as we can see, installing the parts is just the reverse of removing it. With the glass down, it goes in easily. Now comes the difficult part. We have to get these two little things, these three things, inside these three holes. Then we have to catch these wires inside the holes, and with these plastic bits catch the wires. Now get them in the holes. There we are. Well friends, that's it. Going up and down, no noise whatsoever. All that glass was probably the problem. The guy that put the new glass on forgot to take all the glass out, and that caused the problem. Well, I hope you liked this video. Remember, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, share it, subscribe, leave your comments, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.